trying to get a temple fee.
Couple feet.
Yeah, just line up everything, whatever. I'm gonna take it down a little bit. That's all.
What you taking, like a 2?
2.5.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
You do enhancements?
Nah.
Keep it natural.
Yeah, natural.
Cool. So when you work in a barber shop, you're gonna get clients that don't want nothing fancy, just a simple haircut. So this is one of those clients, and I'm gonna show you how I do his haircut. As you can see, he kind of wears his durag a little tight. You can always tell when like there's a line around the back of the neck. But in my opinion, a durag's supposed to be worn tight. Waves are a style, you have to keep it nice and compressed. He was obviously woofing. So I started out with my detachable blade. His hair cut kind of patchy. So I made the executive decision to go ahead and switch to just a guard. The bad thing about guards though, they don't make the hair lay down smooth enough. So it always looks uneven. Won't be patchy, but it just looks uneven. Now with this particular client, his hair grows in a patchy way. Just the way his hair waves up. Nothing you could do about it. So I have a 2 guard and I'm going with the grain. And now's your opportunity to comment. I want to see what you guys want to see. So I want you guys to comment what kind of videos you guys want to see. I have some dope things in the works. I'm a very creative person. I don't put my creativity into my videos, just into my thumbnails and my titles, but I have some dope things on the way, some new things, but I want to hear from you guys. Let's hear some things. So you guys can see on the hairline, it cuts really light, so I'm kind of like grazing it to not patch it. Once it's chopped, I'm gonna go ahead and brush it in. This gets all those loose hairs out the way. It's annoying having same thing when you do scissor work and you know all the little pieces that you cut are in the hair. You just want to get rid of it, you know? And we're gonna go with just a regular taper, mid taper. Now with these steps, notice I'm just flicking. I'm not really digging. Because with waves, you kind of gotta fade each wave, if that makes sense. So when hair is not wavy, you're just fading it. You're going from short to light, but with waves, you kind of have to fade in between each crest of the wave. Like just how I'm doing right now at this specific moment. That's what you gotta do, so. And I always like to take down the C-cup area, just because I know later on, I'm gonna trim it down. So I just do it just to get it out the way. Same exact thing for this side. Again, this side's a little lighter, cuts a bit differently. But yeah, I got some new stuff coming. We're gonna switch it up. I've been bringing you guys the homeless videos just to switch up the content. Because if people don't sign up for the free haircuts, I'll just cut random people. Because I need content regardless. And I don't mind doing it. It's fun. I have good conversations. Honestly, I have some good conversations. We're gonna do the exact same thing in the back. I actually had a good conversation with this young gentleman. I like to tell people I could be a psychologist if I wanted to. Like seriously, for my clients who are watching this, y'all know. See, most people just think I'm a barber, but trust me, it gets deep. It gets deep in my chair. If you want to go deep. A lot of people just want to keep it neutral. I understand, but we can really talk about life. Not a therapist, psychologist. There's a difference. Very similar, but there's a difference. So I'm loving how his texture's fading. Very smooth. And the reason why I didn't add foam is because he already has waves. Foam is for people who don't have waves already. He has waves, so why would I do that? You know? I'm gonna take my sharpest trimmers that I got and line them up. Now, even when you're lining up, you're still cutting in between those crescents of waves. So you're gonna have to keep going back, brushing the hair down, combing it, lining it up again. And with waves, you're always gonna have some patches, because waves, think about the ocean, you know? The ocean will group up a tiny body of water and create a wave. It like clumps it together. You understand? Same thing with hair. It takes hair in the surrounding areas and it creates a wave. It's just how it is. I just think about nature with a lot of this stuff. Our bodies are replicated after nature. Seriously. Like our eyes are like nebulous stars. Like a lot of things, our veins are like lightning. Like a lot of stuff is very similar. Same with hair. So for the C-cup, I like to make my C-cups very prominent, very sharp, but not pushed back. And he just wants a natural line. So this is just shape up in its rawest form. Just a haircut in its rawest form. I like to go back, detail it with my razor. You can head over to Easy Blade Shaving Products and cop up on razors. And I'm just stretching the skin, not trying to get no white line or none of that extra stuff. Now the part that was bothering me about this hair, it's looking real patchy right now, but the way I'm gonna kind of make this look better is by going over freehand trimming the top as much as I can. But he's spinning, you guys can see he's spinning. And once we get that taken care of, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up under his chin. This is the before and this is the after. If you're located in Philly or near Philly, like New York, Jersey, wherever, hit me up. I got free haircut options. Let's work. It's your boy 4 and I'm out.